We'll guide you through how to use vidIQ to find video ideas. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and go to vidIQ.com. Then log into your account using your usual credentials. Make sure your YouTube channel is connected so the tool can access your channel data correctly. Wait until the dashboard loads completely before continuing, because some features will not appear if the page is still loading. Look at the left sidebar menu and find the keyword research option. Then click on it to open the keyword tool. In the search bar, type a topic related to your niche and press enter to see the results. Check the search volume score to understand how many people are searching for that topic. Next, check the competition score to see how difficult it is to rank for that keyword. Look at the overall keyword score to quickly judge whether the keyword is worth targeting. Scroll down to see related keywords and suggestions that vidIQ generates automatically. Find long-tail keyword variations that are more specific and often easier to rank for. Look for keywords with high volume and low competition to maximize your chances of getting views. Click on a promising keyword to open more detailed data about it. Review the top videos ranking for that keyword to see which videos are currently performing well. Analyze their titles and thumbnails to understand what attracts viewers. Check their view count to measure the real demand for that topic. Return to the sidebar and click on Daily Ideas to see personalized video suggestions based on your channel. Review the predicted views score for each idea to estimate potential performance. Save ideas that match your niche and content style. Compare multiple keyword results to choose the strongest opportunities. Write down the best performing topics in a list for planning. Turn the selected keyword into a clear video title idea that is easy to understand. Finally, plan your content based on the highest scoring idea so you can create videos with better chances of ranking and gaining consistent views. Repeat this process regularly to track trends, update your strategy, and stay ahead of changing audience interests online.